Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't had a lot of content for you in the last week. I haven't felt my best and been busy working on the Jeep here. So I thought I would test out some of this fancy new camera gear I've got and do you a little blog, show you some of the stuff I've been up to. So if I can do silly things like this now. And I can start showing you what we've been up to. So, as you can see, the Jeep is up on blocks at the minute. Okay. We got all of the wheels off the ground so that we could access underneath the Jeep easier. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess around here. Lots of tools everywhere. Been doing lots of bits and pieces. So if I crawl underneath the Jeep, excuse me, my old body doesn't like it. You can see there's some bits missing. So basically what we've done so far is we've taken the rear prop shaft off here, took that off at the other end as well. So this is the handbrake drum, and this has all come off. Inside here was all oil and just a complete mess. So this has all been apart, where everything inside it's been cleaned and disassembled. The seal in the back of the transfer case had failed, so this was all just oil that wasn't working at all. And I've cleaned up all the brake pads and everything and they've gone back in, and we've put it back together yesterday, but hit a bit of a snag in that if we do this nut up, this nut should be done up mega tight. If we do that up, then this basically seizes up and doesn't do anything. So there's a problem there that we have yet to figure out. This little bit of oil is just from when we were lubricating the seal. So this is going to have to come apart again because we've got to figure out what the hell's binding up. Other things we've done is I've had this cover off here. Inside there, I'll load up a photo, is the gears that connect to the transmission to the transfer case. And they're all fine, but this was leaking a lot of oil. The bond strap here is pretty knackered as well, so I'll probably end up replacing that because that can't be helping my grounding situation. So that's had a new gasket, and if I can get the camera to look up a bit, you see the sump here has got a brand new gasket on it. You might just be able to make that out in there. Sorry, try that again because my gimbal didn't like trying to hold the camera up that high. So yeah, so that's the sump there. It's had a new gasket. You can see this was leaking as well, so that has had some tape put in it and been put back in. Just let the camera sort it out. Sorry, this is a bit rubbish. But that's kind of an ad hoc thing. So yeah, new gasket there, new gasket there. The sump was all cleaned out on the inside. There wasn't loads of metal chunks or anything. Had a proper look at the gears inside the transfer case. They all looked really nice, so we're not worried about anything in there. So yeah, we've just basically got this problem with this handbrake drum. I mean, even how it is now, it's not particularly easy to turn. So I really don't know what's going on there, but we've got to take this off, and then the yoke we're going to put in without the drum and see if that binds up on its own. That'll just single out some problems, and we'll keep singling out problems until we sort it out. So excuse the light. I'm now going to put some paint on this yoke on this end because that looks pretty rough. I've degreased it and all everything ready. If I can get back out of under here. Oh, she'll clean this up whilst I'm at it as well. This is the end of the propeller shaft that goes onto the handbrake drum, and that is absolutely disgusting with old congealed grease and is just yuck. So I'll degrease that in a minute and paint that up at the same time. I just stand up. Oh. Not particularly good at this whole blogging thing. That's not really my best. And there you have the actual propeller shaft. You see the splines on that are lovely. It's just got some old grease, so I'll clean that up as well before it goes back on. But yes, I just wanted to show you what we've been up to and apologise for not making a lot of content this week. That just hasn't been a good week for me, I'm afraid. But as we get more done, I will keep you up to date. I will make some more videos for you next week on other bits and pieces and get things back to normal. I see I've been getting a few more subscribers even with, since I haven't been putting anything on, so it's good to see the channel still growing slowly, and hopefully some of you new guys will enjoy some of this vloggy stuff, even though I'm not very good at it. And yeah, we'll take it from there. So, oh, still getting used to this gimbal thing, but yeah, so thanks for watching the video, and I'll make some more content for you soon, hopefully something a bit more cohesive than this, because I'm half asleep and I just want to put something out for you. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.